What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's video, oh yeah, we got some new surprises. 2021 GSXR 1000 is finally back together. It's finally about ready to go. Swing arm is due to be here next week, but Montgomery Motorsports has hooked us up with some special goodies. We got 3 boxes here. UPS, oh yeah, they took good care of that one. Hopefully everything is in good condition. We're gonna be unboxing that stuff here in just a minute. Before we get into that, remember the last video we did at the track. Remember, drop the link there. If you didn't see it, go back and check that out. Melania broke the transmission. On the 2-3 shift, nothing really went wrong, just broke, right? You heard the noise it was making. Look at the carnage inside of the motor on that thing. Oh my God. Ouchie wow wow. So this right here, this is a billet input shaft. In other words, this is where the clutch drive is. This is the output drive for where the sprocket goes. The input shaft broke completely in half. That is a solid billet shaft from one end to the other. You can see we have chewed up gears. We have chewed up everything. Okay, don't worry, it gets worse. See the rod in there? Yep, chewed that up too. See the gear on the crank? Yep, chewed up that too. See the engine cases where the transmission and the bearings sit? Yep, chewed up that too. It literally destroyed the whole motor. The clutch, yep, chewed up that too. So now we need new crank, or at least have the crank repaired. We need new rods, we need new cases, we need new transmission. We got to send the clutch to have it repaired. You thought going easy was fast, or going fast was easy? Nah, boys, it don't quite work like that. One thing about it, SRW, they have built us a killer motor. When this thing broke, the RPM shot to 16,000 RPMs. I cut the bike off. Of course, it was it was making all kind of noise because everything was loose in there. But the engine itself, she's still intact. Melania will be back better than ever here soon. Black Mamba 2.0, yeah, you know it's coming back, guys. It's coming back real soon. We're actually starting to put it together now. We're gonna have that thing fully geared up and fully ready to go come next season. All right, guys, let's get into this video, see what we got. All right, guys, before we get this stuff unboxed, we got one more little fun task. Look at these tires. We're not putting those on the GSXR. Me and Chasing Perfection, he's back in the video. Yes, sir. We're taking the McLaren 720 down to Discount Tire. We're getting some Toyo R 888Rs.
The stickies.
The stickies. We're going to put the good stickies on it because it's a little cool outside. Starting to dance at like 70, 80 mile an hour. Really don't want to go through that with that car. So we're gonna get these mounted up. Let's see how it does. Here we go, Discount Tire. Gas on her a few times. Show you how it hooks / don't hook. Turn all our little gizmos on. We leave the traction control on in this thing just because I ain't trying to be stupid. All clear. As you can see, it was dancing all over the place. We will put it over into track mode. Now we get get different gauges. Red light, should be green in a second. All right guys, third gear, 60 miles an hour. She was hooking that time. That's third gear though. Yee doggy. One more time from second. The technology in this car and the traction control system is pretty phenomenal, considering its own Pirelli sport tires, but not really race tires, not really drag radials. So I can't wait to get these Toyos on there. They're not a drag radial, but it is an R compound race tire. So I cannot wait to see how this thing does. Especially now, the road's warmed up a little bit, but earlier this morning when it was 50, 55 degrees outside, this thing was all over the place at 80 miles an hour. Let's see what it does with the new tires. All right, guys, we're going hands-free. We got the GoPro on the tripod. We also got the little camera. Yeah, it's rolling. All right, let's open up this box first from Montgomery. This is the one UPS took such fine care of. Let's see if everything made it. Hopefully it's not in pieces. Oh yeah. Carbon fiber chain guard. And a carbon fiber tire hugger. And it actually did make it, so shout out to UPS for handling everything with care. So we're gonna put this on once we get the extended swing arm. This thing's so fine. Super lightweight, it literally weighs next to nothing. Same thing for the chain guard. All this stuff is crazy lightweight and crazy strong. I've never had any of this Montgomery product, the chain guards or anything, break. This stuff holds up really well. Oh yeah, the finish and the quality on this thing is super slick. So we're gonna put that on as soon as we get the extended swing arm. Now let's see what else we got in the other boxes. Carbon Fibre front fender. This is brand new. This just came out for the brand new GSXRs. It's a complete OEM replica, all in carbon fiber, literally weighs nothing. We're gonna put that on today. And then we got one more big box. I lost my razor blade. You guys may already know what this is. This piece is one of the most well-known pieces in all of drag racing. What? Carbon fiber gas tank. This was sponsored by Ricky Gatson. He actually ordered this for me. I want to say special thanks to him. Ricky loves these tanks. This is one of his favorite things on my last bike. And since I gave that one away, we got rid of it. He just couldn't help but to get me another one. Never got to show the gas tank up close on the last bike, but take a look at this tank, boys. This thing, the quality is oh so fine. Not a scratch nick on it. Shout out to UPS. But take a look at how the tank is made. It's carbon fiber, but the actual part where the gas goes is all aluminum. And it is held in there, or I'm sorry, it's all aluminum, and your stock fuel pump and all that stuff fits right in there. Super cool design, super nice, and literally it weighs nothing. All right guys, let's get this stock tank off and get this thing installed. guys, if you want a deal on this gas tank, the front fender, the chain guard, the hugger, whatever you see I got, anything Montgomery Motorsports offers, go to montgomerymotorsports.net, pick out what you want, type in More Mafia 5, boom, I got you 5% off, hooked you up just for being a More Mafia subscriber. You gotta subscribe now. Make sure you do it, smash that like button, comment in the comments below, what do you think about what this new GSXR is gonna be like? What do you think is gonna run at the track once we get it out and about? All right, guys, thanks for watching. No, wait, we gotta go get the McLaren, let's go. All right, guys, before we go, got a couple things I want to run by you. You know, you saw my other video, right? You subscribed, you watch them all. 2022 Busa giveaway coming up. We're gonna shoot for Black Friday, guys. So go ahead and put a few dollars to the side. We are trying our best to make this happen. Brock's Performance has got his exhaust. Brock's Performance has got his BSTs. We got a swing arm coming for it. We got all the goodies, guys. We're gonna set this thing up pretty similar to my white one. I'll show you that in just a second. But you see it all tore down in a million pieces. If you did miss the last video, we are painting all this stuff. The bike was black and copper. The copper is all going away. It is gonna be black with matte black trim. It's gonna look super, super good. Cannot wait to get that back together. Paint should be here in the next week or so. Exhaust should be here in the next week or so. But check these puppies out sitting side by side. Short wheelbase monsters. The 2022 Busa looking oh so sexy. 28th next week, he's coming to get it, guys, all the way from Arkansas, 12 hours away. He's coming to pick it up. We're gonna film that whole experience. One more thing before we go, the weather's getting cool. We got new More Mafia merch, hoodies. This is a thin, lightweight hoodie. This is good for like a 50 to 60 degree day. We just got brand new, just unveiled, More Mafia new long sleeve shirts. It's got the More Mafia on the sleeve, got the crazy print there. And then we've got hoodies in camo, black and camo. All those are in stock, ready to go. And there's just a couple gray ones left, the black and gray. So hit us up, moremafia.com. Check that stuff out. Now let's go get the McLaren. All right, guys, we picked up the McLaren. I got a call from the other rim shop, Carlton Customs, Greer, South Carolina. They got my wheels for my new truck. I don't have my new truck yet, but I got my new wheels. Check them out. Got a set of American Forces going on this truck. Ooh wee, that's the inside. Of course, it's an F450, it's a dually. So that's the inside wheel. It's gonna be all black, 24s, 37s on a leveling kit on an all black truck. That dude right there, he's gonna hook it up. He's gonna get us ceramic coated, detailed, everything once we get the truck to keep it nice and clean. Chasing perfection, he getting rims put on his truck too. Yeah, Shay hooks us up with all that stuff. You need them, hit them up, Carlton Customs on Instagram. New tires are on. Let's see how this thing hooks. Make sure there's no pickies up here. Picky, 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 picky. Oh yeah, and look at it. Woo! This thing is a whole other world now, guys. When do we get out, I'm going to show you what the tires look like. They look way better because they're just a little bit bigger 315s on the back. All right, guys, we're all back with the McLaren. Had to get it shined up. Can't keep that thing, no dirt can be on it. I just can't stand it. It drives me crazy. But anyways, we got it all shined up. The tires turned out perfect. They look nice and meaty on there. Shout out, special thanks to Discount Tire in Greer, South Carolina for taking care of my baby. It is about time to head home, boys. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button. We'll see you next time.